kits which detect COVID-19 within 20 minutes. In Pakistan, active corona cases are now 16,912. United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres has called for efforts to protect the planet from the debilitating effects of war. In US election 2020, Biden takes lead in Pennsylvania, Georgia. In Afghanistan, 3 people including a journalist were killed when a bomb attached to the vehicle exploded in Kabul today. In Karachi, Pakistan, those found without masks will be liable to a fine of 500 rupees.